What's going on, YouTube? You know, back at it.
Yo, it's snowing?
Doing my first gig off the new van. You need somebody to handle it? Call them in with the transit. Aye. Alright, I'm about to do this move real quick. Gotta bless the van. See how we open. Spacious. Took all the seats out. Let's get it. We got the storage unit, U-Haul. My job easier, see? Man, Lewis. So, second trip right here. First was the storage unit. Now we're doing the garage. Dropping down to another garage. And then this moving gig should be done. So, yeah. Like I said before, get yourself a van, a pickup truck, whatever. You want to make that side money, that extra income. Don't be afraid. Know the network, put the ad out there. Get that money.